Since the launch of Dierya DK61E, it has not only been well received by many customers, but also self-evaluated and promoted by many influencers.
This is the Dierya DK61. It is a $50 60% mechanical keyboard that uses optical switches. Double-shot keycaps that are shine through because, RGB gamer mode. It uses a Type-C connection, allows for 4 profile layers, allows macro recording and anti-ghosting.
Arkadaşlar klavye %60 boyutta bir klavye. Artık o kadar fazla %60 klavyeler var ki etrafta. Artık kaliteler gerçekten çok fark ediyor.
今日はですね、ダイリア高速でこう入力するときにこうもつれてこないというか、オンオフがくっきりしてるっていう感じがある。
Overall, it's just a really nice keyboard.
Yani neredeyse. Fiyatı aslında yüksek değil. Adamlar
You can go to Amazon to buy it. Shop now.